Hello guys, good afternoon. So now in UHRS, one heat app is showing in India, in Indian dashboard. I am not talking about international any other country. I'm talking about Indian dashboard. The heat app name is quality level of video related search. Paste this guideline here, and this is the time allocated to do the job. So the main thing, I first of all I recommend that you should study the guideline very minutely. The guideline is very clear, and you can also find a guideline snapshot or guideline overview here. So I am explaining the main theme is that what is the goal of this heat app? The goal of this heat app is that whenever we put query in a search engine like Bing suggests some of the uh, query whenever we want, our intent is to find a video, particular video. So our query is the original query. Okay, this is the original query that we put into the search engine, and it is the Bing which suggests some of the videos. This is called suggestion. Now the goal of this heat app is to refine the search experience. Like if we enter the video query, or we are searching for certain queries in the Bing search regarding a video, then we should then the suggestion should match the video query. But here we are not inspecting the relevance. Like it may happen that I am asking for a video, and the Bing is showing another video. Bing suggestion is showing another video. So that is total unrelated. But we are not inspecting that here. We are inspecting four classes of defectiveness. The first is non-video intent, that is original query is is a video query. Suggestion is showing this kind of stuff like navigational suggestions, like directions on Google Map or Bing Map. But we are our intent is video, right? Or the suggestion is showing some images or GIFs or tools or website or application or lyrics. So I can see that in this original query and suggestion pair, transgender females, transgender women is a suggestion. So I can say that the intent of this query is to find information about transgender females, but it is not the information may be in textual format, maybe in video format. So I surely not say that this is the video intent, right? But the suggestion here is, but I am not inspecting this the relevancy of this original query and suggestion. I am just inspecting this suggestion, whether this suggestion falls into non-video intent. So non-video intent means navigational suggestion. This is not obviously not direction, right? Suggestion for images, GIFs, tools, website, application, and lyrics. So transgender women may show images. Like I can see that, look at this. This is the suggested result. So here we can see that transgender woman photos and premium. So there may be pictures, but it is not explicitly mentioned here. Like it is not transgender women pictures. The word pictures is not there. So this is obviously a non-video intent. If transgender women pictures mentioned here, then it will be the non-video intent. So we will tag these as non-video intent. Tag it like this, and then put the submit button. Then click the submit button. Sorry. And after that, I am checking that whether a bad spelling or grammar is there. So like you can see that bad grammar or incorrect formation of sentence or misspelled words. If anything is here, then I can tag this as bad spelling and then click the submit button. Ambiguous means like this. Here the query is parenthesis and the suggestion is dash, or what to do with a hangover, and the suggestion is picture. The picture is anything. Picture is totally ambiguous. Whose picture? Duplicate. Duplicate is you can observe this query and suggestion like lighthouse pictures image. So we can say that lighthouse pictures and this suggestion is almost a duplicate. So if it is duplicate, transgender females and transgender women, I think it is the duplicate, right? So I can click on this duplicate and press the submit button. And can't judge. Can't judge means that it is in German or French or it is not in English. So we can't judge, right? And if we don't find this, if we don't find any problem like a non-video intent or bad spelling or ambiguous or duplicate, then we can choose no above issues. And if you want to put a comment like a clarification, like I find this, so I am judging this. I find this. My research find these findings, these facts. So I am judging like this. So you can put that comment in this comment section and just click the submit button. So I hope you understand this HITAPP. If any question in your mind, then just put the question in the comment section right below. I will answer it. And if you like this video, you can press the like button. If you want to share this video to your friends and families, you can share. And for more informative videos like this, you can press the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.